Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 tips for healthy eating, so grab your chef's hat. Well, maybe not literally, and let's get cooking up a healthier lifestyle. Ditch the beige diet and load up on color. From juicy red tomatoes and vibrant green spinach to sunshine yellow peppers and those beautiful blueberries bursting with flavor, make your plate look like a painter's palette. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and veggies a day. It's easier than you think and can be quite delicious. Chop some bananas on your cereal for a sweet and nutritious start to your morning. Snack on crunchy carrots with hummus for a satisfying and healthy midday treat. And load up your dinner plate with a rainbow of roasted veggies to make your meal both vibrant and nutritious. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are crucial for maintaining good health, helping you feel full and satisfied, while also providing the energy you need to get through your day. Embrace the variety and enjoy the benefits. Water is essential. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere, on your commute, at your desk, even on that weekend hike. Jazz it up with slices of lemon, cucumber, or even a sprig of mint if you fancy. When it comes to bread, rice, pasta, or any grain-based goodies, always go for the whole grain option. Think whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, oats. These are your new best friends. They're packed with fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. This is all about balance, my friends. A balanced plate is the first step to a balanced life. It's easy to get carried away, especially when you're faced with a mountain of delicious food. The temptation is real, and we've all been there. But remember, it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full. Eating slowly allows your body to catch up with your appetite, so slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's cues. Notice the flavors, the textures, and how you feel. This mindful approach can transform your eating experience and help you enjoy your meals more fully. Eating is not just about nourishment, it's also about enjoyment and connection. Share your meals with loved ones and make it a joyful experience. We all love a little sweetness and saltiness in our diets. It's hard to resist the allure of sugary snacks and salty foods, but too much of these indulgences can be harmful to our health. Overconsumption of sugar and salt is a common issue in modern diets. Excess sugar can lead to weight gain, energy crashes, and even contribute to the development of chronic diseases like diabetes. On the other hand, consuming too much salt can raise your blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. To maintain a healthier lifestyle, opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. These alternatives can satisfy your sweet tooth without the negative effects of refined sugar. Additionally, use herbs, spices, and citrus fruits to add flavor to your meals. These natural ingredients can enhance the taste of your dishes without the need for excessive salt or sugar. Breakfast really is the most important meal of the day. It's about a healthy breakfast packed with nutrients. Think whole grain toast with avocado and a poached egg, a bowl of porridge with berries and nuts, or a smoothie with yogurt, fruit, and a handful of spinach. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, let's make smarter choices. Keep a stash of healthy snacks on hand to keep you going between meals. Think almonds, fruit, veggie sticks with hummus, or a small pot of yogurt. Cooking more meals at home is one of the best things you can do for your health. You're in control of the ingredients and portion sizes, avoiding hidden nasties in processed foods. Start simple. Try a new healthy recipe once a week and see how you go. Remember to enjoy your food. Eating should be a pleasurable experience. Slow down, savor each bite, and appreciate the flavors and textures of your food. Ditch the distractions, put your phone away, and really focus on the food in front of you. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for healthy eating. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.